What's good, YouTube, man? It's been a while since I dropped a video. But don't worry, guys. Weekly tutorials coming soon. It's your boy, Maestro O'Neil. We got a simple solo for you guys, man. I'm going to show you guys the solo first, and then I'll come back and explain it. Very simple, guys. Very simple, guys. I'm just doing a 6 and a 7, bro. This is your 6, A minor. And then your 7, which is a B. So what I'm doing is I'm doing an arpeggio starting on the E. Then after that, I do this. Y'all see it? And if you want to transpose this to another key, I'm gonna just tell you the numbers, and whatever key you play in, you can easily transpose it. So basically, 6 1 6 1 3 flat 6 or sharp 5 6 lower octave 6 1 sharp 5 or flat 6 and then 6. So if you want to transpose it, you can transpose it. Well, I count it wrong. Hold on. 3 1 6 3 1 6 3 sharp 5 6 6 1 sharp 5 6. And then we move down to B, which is your 7 in the key of C. Then you go back to your 6. I'm gonna also count for the 7, if you guys want to transpose that as well. 4 2 7 sharp 5 6 7 2 sharp 5 6. Now another note you could play when you're on the 7, you could play the 7, the higher octave 7. You could do this one instead. On the second time, when you're on the 7, the second time you're playing the octave, just move to the A. So I'm gonna show you an example. Just move to the A. And then when you come back to the A, the second time you're doing the A, just move up to the 7. Y'all get it? Hold on. And if you have a little modulation wheel, don't forget to use your modulation wheel. And you know, you could just play with it as well, like to change the rhythm. You don't have to do this. You do this. You just play with it. Just make sure you keep the timing and you do your six when you're supposed to do your six, and you move on to your seven when you're supposed to do your seven. That's it. That's basically it, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you want me to do anything else. If you guys want me to transpose it to a key, even though I gave out the explanation on how to do it. If you still need help, just comment down below. Until next time, I'm out. Don't forget to share this video as well, as it helps the channel grow. And don't forget, turn on post notifications.